Having trouble making purchases on the Google Play Store? Here are some simple fixes you can try on Android. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Next, open the Google Play Store and confirm you're signed in to the correct Google account. Tap on your profile icon, then go to Payments and Subscriptions and check if you have a valid payment method added. If your payment method is already added, try removing it and adding it again. This can refresh your billing information and fix common errors. Now, check your country settings. Go to Settings in the Play Store, then tap General, followed by Account and Device Preferences, and make sure your country matches your location and payment method. Another helpful step is clearing the cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps, and select Google Play Store. Tap on Storage, then choose Clear Cache. Repeat the same steps for Google Play services as well. After that, restart your device. Once your phone turns back on, open the Play Store and try making the purchase again. If you're still facing issues, it could be related to payment verification or regional restrictions. In that case, contact Google Play Support for further help. And that's it. These steps should help you fix most Google Play purchase problems. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips.